Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros with What's Linda Cooking. I am going to show you a grocery haul. This is like amazing. My local store, it's called GNL Valley and Provisions, and they just closed, but they opened up Friday only from 11 to 1 p.m. on Fridays, and they are selling food that didn't get sold to the restaurants. So I'm going to show you what I bought for $23. Yes, $23. So here we go. We've got some great things. I got 2 packages of garbanzo beans. These were just $1 each. And then I got some short grain rice, again $1, and this is brown rice. And I thought for when we want to make risotto, we will have it. And you know, I'm trying to try some different grains, so we got Italian Farro. And so if anybody wants to send me a recipe for this, that would be great. And those were $1 each also. And then just for some giggles, I got some Black Quinoa, and I figured, you know what, I'm going to try that too. Now, I'm going to go past this for a second. We've got a big bag, and I don't know how much this weighs. It might weigh about 2 pounds, 3 pounds. $1 for cut up broccoli, and then, you know, I don't have currants that much, but these were currants, and they're kind of like raisins, and a lot of times in baking, it will call for currants. So I'm just going to put this in an airtight container, and we're going to have some currants for when I want to bake, and those were $1. And then, oh my gosh, these are avocados, and I took the ones that were not squishy, and these were $1 each, or $2 for a bag of 12. So obviously I got a bag of 12. I saw someplace that you can freeze these, so maybe I'll do a video on freezing these so you can see how that comes out. We've got some romaine lettuce here. That was $1. I have some cut up, these are just green peppers cut up. That was $1. And I freeze these and use them from the freezer, so I'll be freezing those just to kind of use right out of the freezer. Then a little bit more money. It was $2 for Brussels sprouts. This is probably about a 2 pound, 3 pound, maybe even 4 pound bag. And that was $2. I got a pineapple there. I just decided, geez, maybe I should get some fruit. I know that watermelon is on sale at Price Right this week for $3.77, and I'll probably get myself a watermelon too. But I thought, you know, $1 for the pineapple, so I'll get that. Now these were all $1. My mother had wanted some half and half, so I got her that. Then I got, these were all $1. Apple cider vinegar, and that won't go bad at all. We've got some white glaze with balsamic vinegar, so I'm going to try that. And then we have a little bit of raspberry vinegar. I like that for just maybe a dressing. And then this Vinegar tomato basil sauce. I just thought, I had heard that this was pretty good. These were $1 each, so I just picked up 2 just to have on my pantry shelf just in case I need that. So let's go back to these. This is my favorite cheese ever. One of them. Now this particular flavor isn't my favorite. I mean, I like it, but it's not my favorite. That would be the caramelized onion. But they had this Mustard Ale Cheddar cheese. This particular brand is outstanding. And this was, I think, $1 each or $2 for the entire 12 pack. Now, here's what I plan to do with these. I plan to give them away to my family if they want them. But then also, these mustard and ale would make great mac and cheese. So I'm going to throw these in the freezer because the date is coming up in a little bit. These, because of the way they're sealed, they are going to last for quite a while, even after the best by date. But I can put this in the freezer and I can use it in cooking. So I think that's what I'm going to do, because once you put it in the freezer, it will crumble. So, but it still will melt really, really well. So that was $2 for this entire batch. Now, if there was the caramelized onion or the truffle cheddar, oh my gosh, I would have probably bought like a few for my daughter and her husband. But I just got the one box and that is enough. So this is my haul for $23. We've got all of this, and I think this was a really, really good deal. What do you think? And what kind of places do you shop at that will give you this type of a great deal? Because this is quite amazing. So that is what I picked up at Jansel Valley for $23. That is amazing. And if you're in our area and you know about Sid Wainer and you know about Friendly Fruit and you know about Jansel Valley, then you know exactly where I'm talking about. And you should check it out every Friday, even though if you check it out, I'll probably get less stuff, but that's okay. I'm sure there's more than enough to go around, and they're super, super friendly. And you know, where else can you eat like this for $23 with all of this? That is a pretty amazing deal. So this is Linda Medeiros for What's Linda Cooking. Bye for now.